tool on the medical channel. Olive seed has been used in traditional medicine recipes. Interestingly, the olive bones are completely digested by our gastrointestinal tract, nor do they harm our body. Moreover, they act as a sorbent. Olives are fully edible. In the Mediterranean, it is customary to swallow olive seeds for 3 to 5 pieces daily. In the past, there was a method of squeezing olive oil exclusively from olive seeds. The usage of olive seeds contributes to weight loss in obesity as they cleanse the intestines, remove toxins, improve its microflora. Bones remove cholesterol, increase the outflow of bile. Regular use relieves constipation, prevents the formation of stones in the gallbladder and kidneys. The use of olive seeds and oil for hemorrhoids. There are 2 types of hemorrhoids, internal and external. Factors contributing to the development of hemorrhoids are constipation, a diet lower in fiber, food allergies, obesity, lack of physical activity, prolonged sitting on hard surfaces, pregnancy, frequent use of laxatives, heredity and heavy physical exertion. The use of olives with a bone inside helps to eliminate constipation, since they have a laxative and enveloping effect. Treatment of internal and external hemorrhoidal nodes with olive seeds helps at stage 1 to 2 of this disease. In severe cases of this disease, treatment with bone and olive oils is useless. Surgical treatment may be necessary. How to choose olives for eating them with seeds inside? Green olives and black olives are the fruits of one tree. That is, it is one and the same. Unripe fruits are green, so they are called green olives. Ripe and overripe fruits are called olives. When buying, you must choose a product with a sufficient shelf life. By the end of the implementation date, all the more so, cancerogens form in the bones. Seeds of dried olives are especially appreciated. How to use olive seeds for medicinal purposes. It is recommended to eat no more than 3 to 5 seeds during a meal. The permissible monthly norm is 15 pieces. Canned olives cannot be taken daily, as they are saturated with salted marinade. The daily doses for an adult should be no more than 10 milligrams. At stages 1 to 2 of hemorrhoids, it is recommended to use olive oil. It is added to salads and prepared dishes. A special recipe is that on an empty stomach, take 1 teaspoon olive oil daily. For a laxative effect with constipation, the dose increases. In this case, take 2 tablespoons daily fasting oils. This recipe will help to cope with constipation, which is often the main reason for the formation of hemorrhoids. Olive oil, for some people, tastes unpleasant. In this case, use this recipe. 1.5 tablespoons olive oil is mixed with 1 tablespoon honey. The medicine is taken daily before breakfast until the symptoms dissipate completely. Another recipe for constipation. Take 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 10 olives, 4 to 5 lettuce. Grind olives and lettuce, mix everything and take this remedy on an empty stomach an hour before meals in the evening daily. The course lasts 7 days. The use of olives with bone in hemorrhoids. In the morning, on an empty stomach, you should eat 5 black fruits with a stone. It is necessary to take fruits within 2 weeks. In mild hemorrhoids, 3 olives eaten daily for 10 days. Recipe 4 with external hemorrhoids. A cotton swab should be slightly moistened in olive oil and place it in the rectum. The procedure is carried out 2 times a day. Another recipe for a mixture of 2 medicinal oils for external use in hemorrhoids. This is lavender and olive oil. Lavender oil has antibacterial and analgesic properties. In a mixture, these 2 oils relieve itching, burning and swelling caused by hemorrhoids. Take 2 drops of each oil and lubricate the external hemorrhoids 2 to 3 times a day. Olive oil and turmeric recipe. Turmeric reduces inflammation, stops bleeding and prevents the progression of the disease. Turmeric is mixed with oil in such a ratio that a thick paste is obtained. The medicine is applied to the anus. Let it dry completely. The procedure is repeated several times a day. The mixture is best used cold. Cold helps to narrow the blood vessels and reduce swelling of the hemorrhoids. Recipe with tea tree and olive oil for hemorrhoids. Tea tree oil contains anti-inflammatory properties, reduces swelling of the hemorrhoid. To prepare the recipe, take 1 teaspoon olive oil and 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil. The mixture is applied to the anal area. The procedure is repeated 3 times a day. Microcrystals with olive oil. Olive oil for hemorrhoids can be introduced into the rectum in its pure form in an amount of 50 milliliters. Another option for microcrystals is a mixture of 150 milliliters of clean water at room temperature with 3 teaspoons olive oil. The third option, a composition of 20 milliliters of olive oil, 1 chicken yolk and 200 milliliters of warm water. Such microcrystals accelerate the healing of cracks, facilitate the process of defecation, relieve inflammation, and cure internal hemorrhoids. Microcrystals have a regeneration, analgesic, and immunostimulating effect. A recipe for flatulence and hair care. To combat flatulence, diarrhea helps olive baths. Pour 20 olives in a glass of water, cook for 15 minutes, leave for 2 hours. Take 30 milliliters before meals, treatment for 1 week. In addition, this olive bath is recommended for hair care. They rinse their hair to enhance growth, nutrition of the roots. Olive bones for diabetes. Our bones love blood sugar. Perhaps traditional medicine will someday be interested in this healing property of the bones. In the meantime, take 50 olive seeds, chop them, pour the resulting mass with 1 liter of water and cook over low heat until the amount of water is halved. Drain the bath and take 1 tablespoon after eating. If after a 3-day intake improvement is left, then the reception of decoction should be continued. If not, do not continue. Friends, subscribe to the medical channel and Telegram channel. In order to subscribe to the medical channel, just click the red button under this video. If you subscribe to the Telegram channel, you will quickly receive announcements of new outgoing videos on your smartphone. A link to subscribe to the Telegram channel will be given in the description of this video. I wish you all good health and see you soon on the medical channel.